I had got this for a steal. Again, I got this on OfferUp. If you guys need any mods, please go to OfferUp because they will get you right.
Boy, if you don't get...
Oh, put these on my head. Cause I got a hole in my pocket. But welcome back to another video of DailyDrivenForeigns. In this video, I'm going to run down all the mods that I got on my car, what mods I want in the near future, and everything that I kind of don't like about the car. Really, you guys are gonna get an overview of the car right now, how it stands, how it is right now in this current day. I've been driving all around the world just to find a spot where I could just film, you know, be by myself and just film. Everybody keep pulling up, everybody keep bothering me. Leave me alone. We want to start from the first mod I ever got on this car. First mod that I got right now, I'm gonna show you guys. Boom, beautiful. Now the first mod that I got on the car was the BMS air intake. Sounds amazing. Sounds like a dragon though, I ain't gonna lie to you. The sound alone just sounds like a dragon. And then we got the charge pipe and the boost pipe. They're both from FTP. It was like a package, FTP Motorsports. It did not come orange, it came black. You know me, I like to spice it up a little bit, you feel me? Spray painted orange, I had spray painted the engine cover orange as well. I had got the spray paint from AutoZone or Advanced Auto. Something like that. But it got the job done. It matches the whole theme of the car. The whole theme of the car right now is orange. The name of the car is Peel. Taking that, you know, there's an orange peel. It makes sense, right? Mod number 2 is this front bumper. Now, this right here is an F30. All right, this is not the original bumper of the car. The only really real reason that I changed the bumper is because I got into an accident. M Sport bumper conversion. And I also had added the double spoked grill, the kidney grills for the Beamer. And now I did have the G80 ones. The G80 ones were a little too, you know, I want to say aggressive, but it just didn't fit the car itself. You know, with the style of the F80s and the F30s and all those styles. But with the G series grill did not look good on this at all. Next mod that I had got on the car is this little caps, right? They go on the V-bar. Now they were a little bit more orange and faded it away, but it still looks decent, you know. I might get new ones soon. But that's really the front of the car, you know. That's really the front of the car. It makes the car look, you know, a lot better. Now a lot of people, oh, why'd you put an M bumper on the F30, blah, blah, blah. It's whatever. I really don't care. As you can see, this is not the original exhaust. Now this right here is the AWE axle back exhaust. It actually sounds amazing, honestly. It sounds beautiful. It makes the car have better tone to itself. It's not like a regular 4-cylinder car, you know, but it does make it sound a lot better. The way that AWE manufactured and fabricated everything that they do, I think it's the best. I mean, it was a little pricey, you know, but I guess it's stuff you pay for, you know, it's what you pay for. It sounds good. It has some burples on the stock tune, and it's just an axle back exhaust. That is it, and it has nice burples. So, and I can make it louder, get a down pipe. I don't have a down pipe on here. I could definitely make this car sound a lot better than it is right now, but we're gonna take it baby steps, you know what I mean? Take it baby steps. But this exhaust right here is amazing. I love it. One of my favorite mods on this car is that exhaust for sure. Damn, they got graffitied. They got graffitied. The next mod that I got on here is the little ducktail. I had got it off of OfferUp. The person who I got it from, they had a F82 M4. It came off of an M4. The guy who actually gave me this, or who I bought it from, his son is underrated Nate, and his dad. They cool peoples, man. You know, chopped it up with him. I appreciate him giving me this. you know, for a steal, honestly. Really for a steal. And he gave me stickers to apply it on there as well. So all I had to do was really just clean it up, polish it, you know, refurbish it just a little bit. But hey, I appreciate that mod. Like I said before, right, I had two favorite mods that I really like about this car. And the one that I really enjoy are these TEs. Yes, TEs on a Beamer. I know everybody don't like TEs on a Beamer, but this right here sets the car, makes the car look so amazing, and this is what makes me fall in love with this car every other day. Now these TEs are my favorite rims. I was really looking for some TEs or some works, but I just settled for the TEs, honestly. I had got this for a steal. Again, I got this on OfferUp. If you guys need any mods, please go to OfferUp because they will get you right. I'm not gonna tell you how much I got them for, but I got these for a steal, honestly. I had to drive 3 hours for it though, you know, 3 hours there, 3 hours back. And I had just got off of work and I was really second guessing myself to make this move. I'm like, do I really want to get these? But these rims, I would never find them ever in my life, so I might as well do it. So drove 6 hours. It was well worth it. Honestly, it was well worth it. But I added a couple things. When I had bought these rims, it came with tires, but the tires they had was a 225 30 18, and that setup, or the tire setup on this car, was not looking right at all. The rims looked like it was stretched look. Honestly, the look was for a car if they was stanced. All right, you see, I still got some gap here, but I had to change it up. So when I had got the rims, I didn't really put them on the car yet until I got these new tires. What's up, man?
Not much. I was trying to see what that says on there.
DailyDrivenForeigns.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
DailyDrivenForeigns. It's a little company that I got for my car and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see it over there.
Appreciate it, man.
All right.
I went to, before Beamer Invasion, I definitely had to go get this new tire setup. I went with a 245/40/18. I could really go with a 255. I was really second guessing myself with a 255 or 245. I think the 245 looks good. It fits flush with the rim itself. I wanted a meatier look than a stance look with the type of setup that I got on my car. Now, if I go coilovers and do all the other stuff, then most definitely I'll change the tire setup. But with this one right here, I think it fits perfect with what I got so far. I am running spacers for all 4 tires. All right, this is an X drive, so every rim has to be the same. 12mm spacers all the way around. I really had to do it in the front because the rim itself was hitting the strut inside. I don't know if you can see in there, but the strut was getting hit with the rim up here. All right, right here is like really close. It's super close. I had to put a 12mm spacer. When I had put them on, I was stressing. Honestly, it was rubbing. I was like, bro, I don't know what to do, this and all that. But good thing I had these spacers on deck already, so I just put them on, test fitted them. They were good. I believe the rim that I have, I think these are 18/9. Here we go. 18/9. Right there. Made in January 27, 2020. T37 XL, man. Now you know these real, all right? A lot of people got reps. A lot of people say these are reps, but these are real, man. I mean, honestly, I'm not gonna brag that they're real, but I'm not gonna put no fake rims. Rims definitely made the car look a lot better than what it was. Now, don't get me wrong, I do like the stocks. Sometimes I'll be wanting to put the stocks on there, honestly, because the stocks do look cool on the car as well. Beamers itself, man, it's my favorite car. Now the next mod with these lowering springs, and now you can see in the back, well, I got like 1 finger gap, you know, good fitment. In the front, it's about like 2 fingers. It still looks a lot better from the beginning. Now, when I first got this car, this is a luxury type of spec, so the shocks were very comforting. Now there was 2 at the dealership that I was gonna get. Is the other one, it was like more of a sportier version. It had the M style brake kit, it had different stock rims. The inside was not as cool as this inside, honestly, but I had went with this one because of 2 reasons. The inside, the screen, all the gadgets were a lot better than the other car, and the other car was making this weird noise that BMW F30s do, and now this car is doing it. and I didn't know what it was at the time. But now this car is doing it, so I could have got that one. It had red seats. That's the real reason why I wanted that one, because it had the red guts. But this one don't have the red guts. But we'll show you what the inside look like, because I got some things in the inside done as well. But yes, I do have the CTS lowering springs on here. Shout out to my homeboy, RIP my dude, bro. He helped me put these springs on. Now, I'll show you a couple of clips on that, of what we did with these right here, man. Got the job done, we did it, and I appreciate you. I really do. The next model that you guys can see, right, we still here. We're still gonna be looking at the wheel setup, is the brake kit. I had got this new brake kit from R1 Concepts. All 4 new rotors, brakes, all that, you know, all changed up. I had made a video on that. I just haven't posted it yet, honestly. I want to do a voiceover and stuff like that for it, but I just gotta get, you know, the time to really get in and knock all that stuff out. But I got these this brake kit from R1 Concepts. It was a pretty good brake kit, man. Honestly, I have no complaints other than my rims being super dirty. Now, I think it's just because of the dotted rotors. Now, the dotted rotors, I'm not sure if that makes your rims even more dirtier than they are usually, but I don't know. It looks great though once it's clean. But I did spray paint my calipers black. I was gonna do orange, but I feel like I'm gonna change the orange theme up in a little bit, so I might as well just do black so it could be matching with everything. It looks cleaner, honestly. Everything looks cleaner in black. Also with the TEs, going back with the TEs though, I had put these stickers on there. Man, it was a bitch to take these stickers off. I'm not gonna lie to you. It came in the original red color, but I had took that off, put the orange sticker on there, match with the theme. You know what I mean? So I think that's like mod number 6. Oh, can't forget about this one. The guy was talking about it a couple seconds ago. But yeah, now this sticker right here, this sticker used to be white. Don't look white no more, right? Nah, it's definitely faded, but it does match the car a little bit. You can't really see the lettering because it is faded, but it does say DailyDrivenForeigns. I've been looking online to get some new banners. I want to probably get a one that goes up here like this. Definitely gonna look into it again or something like that. Makes them a little bit more cleaner look, honestly. Put the banner on top of here, DailyDrivenForeigns, something different, switch it up. But now let's switch it up to the inside of the car. I did a couple things in the inside, nothing too big. Really, the only thing that I've done in the inside of this car was wrap the entire trim piece. All the trim pieces on my car, I wrapped it. Now, taking this spec right here, if you're a real BMW driver and you know about BMWs, I want you guys to comment down below what you think that this color was, or what type of material, you know, I want to put it, you know, because it definitely was a color, but it was a certain type of look to it. If it matches the tan, you got to know what type of trim piece this color was before I wrapped it orange. But yes, I did wrap this. I took it all apart. That right there was a bitch to take off. Trust me, I'm never taking that off again. Even if somebody wants me to do it for their car, I'm not doing it. I'm not. Because it was a bitch to take off. All 4 door handles are orange. And I got this middle part orange. And I got the front orange. And like I was saying, in this car, everything was a little bit better. The other BMW didn't have this looking screen section right here. The screen wasn't as big as this one. It's a little bit smaller. And the knob wasn't as big. It was a little bit smaller. So everything was a little bit different. That's why I really went with this one, because the inside. If I'm going to sit in here, I know I love the red seats. Now, the red, don't get me wrong, the red seats, man. I wanted them red seats. But I guess it just wants to, you know, my time to get it. You know what I mean? So I just went with this one. It looks good. It matched with the orange theme that I wanted to go for. Tan and orange is a good little color. Now, the next color that I really want to go, I really want to chrome out my TEs. I want to chrome out the TEs, and I want to chrome out everything here. That would be a cool look, in my opinion. Triple chromed out TEs with chrome accents all over the place. With the type of color that I got on here. Now, this color right here, you really don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see this color. I don't see this color at all. But I think it's like platinum silver metallic, or silver metallic platinum, something like that. People say it's tan, people say it's silver, people say it's gray. People say it's whatever. But this color, man, I want to wrap it, but I like the color too much to wrap it. I like the color too much to wrap it. Probably just gonna leave it as is for a while and just do a lot of other stuff. I don't know really what my biggest mod that I really want to do next to the car. Maybe stage 1, stage 2 tune, down pipes, maybe. But I gotta see y'all like this video if y'all really want that, you know what I mean? But nah, this is the car, man. This is the overview of everything. Man, I love this car. And a couple things that I gotta tell you guys that I don't like about this car. Now, the exhaust. The guy who installed my exhaust, I know you can see how low it sits. Like, it sits stupid low. And I don't know where you can see it starts to scratch at, but every time I go over a big old speed bump or anything like that, man, my exhaust is scraping. And it sounds disgusting. And I need to go back and get that shit fixed. But now it's too late anyway, so I might as well just go get it fixed somewhere else, honestly. That's one thing I don't like about a car. This is right here is my favorite car. Don't get me wrong. This car right here, I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10. Favorite car that I've owned. I really only own 3 cars, but this is one of my favorites. With the style, it's pretty quick for F30, honestly. It's a good car. What you pay for Beamers, especially with the F30s, with the F80s, the F series, like what you pay for is what you're gonna get. What you pay for is what you're gonna get. And this is why this right here is one of my favorite cars. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This car, I've had it for about a year and a half now. And I've been through a lot, man, with all these mods, right? I think I listed 8 mods, 9 mods. But within that year, right, 8 mods, 9 mods, and I had gotten to an accident like when I first got the car. I didn't drive the car for like almost 2.5 months, 3 months without having the car. That's the real reason why I got the M-style bumper, is because I had got to that accident. I'll show you guys some pictures and stuff like that of the accident if you guys want to see it. Yeah, it wasn't bad, but it was pretty bad to the point where it's like, damn, Willie, you fucked up. With everything that's happened with this car, I really appreciate it. I really do. It's hot as hell. You see me sweating. But this is really the overview of the car, man. You guys let me know what you want to see next, what you want more done to the car. Just hit that like button, comment, man. Please subscribe, man. Join the family. Man, I'm just really trying to broadcast the world everything that I've done to this car, because this right here is my passion. Consistency is key, but you could be good. In order for you to be great, but you need to be consistent. And that's what you gotta try to work for, man. If you stayed this long to the video, man, just please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Comment what you want to see next, man.
Tell me what's wrong, my big girl, what's the issue? Baby, don't cry, ain't on me, here's the tissue. I'm so official, no need for a whistle. Come here and give me a hug, cause I miss you.